what I all I want just list, which one I think go reach 1 million subscribers first? What's up guys, you don't say born in Jamaican scene and today I'm back with another video for you now. I never get for the intro on the same day video do. But anyways, as you can see in the title what this video about already. Which Jamaican YouTube couple thing go reach 1 million subscribers first. Before we get into the video, a credit will be placed during the video. So that number them go pop up during the video. So you never have to get the credit, you have to watch the full video to get the number them. Now go state credit can be lime or digital. Now I go state if it is lime or digital, and it could be either 100 or 200, 300, 500. Now I go state that either, and give me at least 100 likes on a video. So before we get into the video, just like, share, comment, subscribe from our Instagram at niijon _iinsane. Watch the full video. Alright, so where are you?
Zuelia.
Alright, so your first question is, what state which Jamaican YouTube couple you watch?
Nikki and Klein.
Them alone?
Nikki and Klein, Rosa and Chrissy, Neeks and Twy, who else? Jamaican.
Alright, so I'm gonna go for that.
So,
alright, so everything every couple we just list, what state we think will reach 1 million subscribers first, and why?
Nikki and Klein.
Right, so why you think they will reach 1 million subscribers first?
Because they're nice, they're funny, and no people know them, especially Klein, because you know I'm an artist.
But you know them, most people know them same way.
Yeah, but they just true they video them nice, so when they broadcast, like put it on Instagram and so other people go take it on a post here and it go just get more global and go know them.
Yeah, so yeah, so there's a couple of them nice.
I mean, yeah, they're nice, but some of them, and all of them aren't. So, but and all of Nikki and Klein video them at, but you want them when they in Japan. Yeah.
So where name?
Chrissy.
Alright, so when you see which YouTube couple you watch?
Let's see, J&J family.
I mean, which big YouTube couple?
Oh, recent one.
The Jamaican.
Oh, Jamaican.
Yeah.
Nikki and Klein.
Yeah, them alone.
Jamaican.
See two of them you watch.
I just sent them and I already watch them like that.
Alright, so what I two you just list more state who you think go reach 1 million subscribers first?
Nikki and Klein?
Why?
They have good content on Instagram or something.
So Jamaican have good content.
Yeah, but I already watch them again like that.
Oh, yeah. Alright, where name?
Dish.
Alright, Dish. What state which Jamaican YouTube couple you watch?
Nikki and Klein.
Them alone?
Chrissy and Rosa.
Them alone?
And Jamaican.
So you see all of them now?
Only them the three there.
Alright, so what the three we just list, what state who you think go reach 1 million subscribers for?
Nikki and Klein.
Why?
Because them funny and they nice and them buzzy.
That's
Yes. And then YouTube ever nice. Them
so,
video.
there is a couple of them nice.
Eh? You see like Chrissy, Klein, Nikki and Klein, nice. Like them video, they not nice like Nikki and Klein.
Alright, so what's your name?
Natasha.
Shanti.
Alright, Natasha, Shanti. What state first, which Jamaican YouTube couple you watch?
Alright, watch Nikki and Clyde, Jamaican, Image and Dali. Same thing too.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Alright, so you do everything we just list, what state who you think go reach first, you 1 million subscribers?
Nikki and Clyde. Nikki and Clyde.
Why?
They're nice and they're funny.
That's
Yeah.
seriously them nice and funny.
Yeah.
Them nice and funny.
Yeah, same thing too.
Alright, so what's your name?
Rihanna.
Down.
Alright, so what state Jamaica YouTube couple you want to watch?
Nikki and Clyde.
Them alone?
Jamaican.
State two of them?
Nikki and Clyde, Jamaican. Twy and Neeks.
Alright, you can remember next one.
Image and Dali King and Shape. Nikki and Klein. Again.
Alright, so what I want to just list, which one I think go reach 1 million subscribers first?
Probably
Nikki and Klein. I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. Me just like watch them. I don't know.
Why you think? Wait,
Nicky and Klein.
Why?
Because them are going good and then they far.
We have made it to the end of the video. As you can see, all of them say Nicky and Klein. More at least 100 likes for part 2. And part 2 I'm going to state who me think. And I've realized there be a females. Never get no male for a video there. Hopefully if you give me 100 likes for part 2 I get some males. Males in the church. I need the males some opinions here where. Like, share, comment, subscribe and turn on the post notification and comment when you get the credit.